Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm so excited, you know why? We reached 10k subscriber. We reached 10k subscriber. Yay, I'm so excited. And as I promised to you, my family members, that after 10k we are going to do A and Q or A, I don't know that one. It's time to do so. Here, this video, under this video, comment down below any question what you wanna ask. Question lay dot num bang hitalema jika ji video noya hi anoya kha comment ng bot pe ko lang jika ji takcho kha bang hadi ko social media Facebook Instagram dang post to ke ji video noya him comment lang ji pen kha next video hi answer de ka hi ti so kong het sa ka hi ji video hi kong sim kho ka hi. And you can see my hair color is changed, and the video how I change my color also in the next vlog. Okay, okay, that's it. And I hope I got many questions from you guys, and thanks for 10k subscriber. And bạn thì sẽ tắm phim là lại hi mo and kanung nga thak na ngayo. And the rain is falling again while talking. Okay, oh, no. It's okay. And that's it. If you have any questions, please comment down below in this video. Okay, thank you lang. Okay, that's all. Thank you. I hope many questions will be coming down.